Out of Merrill's? Oh, why? Oh, did you buy him new ones? Good. Well, I'm going to let you go. I don't want to run his minutes down. Yeah, we're fine. It wasn't so scary in Walmart, but we're fine. Okay? Well, I'll talk to you later, okay? Okay. Love you, bye. Did you not hear what I just said today? This is where we go fishing. That sun is almost covered. The river hasn't even crested yet. More than likely, by the time it crests, that sign will be completely covered. No, really, I thought that was you. What are you doing?
Nothing. I was sitting here feeding him because him with a grouchy butt. He's messing with a grouchy butt.
I don't even know what I'm taping. Okay, now we're back on the road. This is the park behind our house. We are up on the levee that keeps all that from being flooded. So you go up the hill, there's the levee, and there's a park. As you can see, the park is shut down. Very cleverly shut down, like somebody's not going to go play. If I didn't have the kids with me, I'd go play. See all that? The road is buried. Oh, we got a car coming. You just came through here, asswipe. Okay, and here is Taylor's playground she likes playing on.
And especially that one tube slide.
Yes, the tube slide that you used to be scared of. Normally this is all covered and buried. And here's our backyard. Over here, there's a trampoline.
Which I love.
Garage.
And I also have my very own four-wheeler, which I love very much.
Okay, Chops.
In the garage.
There's our backyard. There's our neighbors. As you can see, you go up the hill. That's the levee. That's what we have blocking us from all that. The rain supposedly isn't done yet. But the rest of the rain that's supposed to come down on top of the river cresting, that sign, maybe by this time tomorrow, will be covered, more than likely. I don't know. I've never actually gotten this on video, and I wanted to get it on video this time. Here comes the car. Yeah.